Okay, it's recording. Good afternoon. My name is Juan Miguel Rios Ortiz, and today I'll be giving you a class on verb tenses. First, let's introduce ourselves. We can start with Camille Rios. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. I'm Cami Rios. I'm a nurse. I work at Mayagüez.
Oh, very good. And Jackie?
Hi, my name is Jackie Brown. I live in Cabo Rojo and work in Mayagüez.
Okay, finally, Derek.
Hi, my name is Derek Otero and I'm 16 years old and I live in Cabo Rojo.
Oh, very good. Today, I'm going to give you a short class about verb tenses. And then we're going to practice a little bit of conversational English. So to begin, I'm going to show you a presentation, quick presentation that I made. I will share it with you. Can you see it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. We're going to talk about the verb tense. This is very important when you want to start a conversation. As you know, the verb is the action. It gives action to the subject. And if you know as many verbs as you can and the tenses, it can help you form a better conversation and get the message across of what you're trying to say. I'm going to talk about the three simple verb tenses just to get us started. And then I'm going to add more to these. But for now, we're going to have the past simple tense that describes the actions that already happened, the present simple tense, which is what is happening right now, and then the future tense, which describes actions that will happen. Okay, next slide. Okay, first we're gonna start with the past tense. When an action already happened, we can add the ed at the end of the verb, and that's how you convert the verb into past tense. For example, here the verb is walk. By adding ed, is he walked to school. Next, if the verb play, we add ed, he played basketball at school. Next is study. She studied with her friends on Monday. Also, please note that there are irregular verbs. And those are verbs that don't follow these rules. And they can change completely. For example, eat, eat is the present, and the past is he ate. See how it's different? And sleep,
Yes.
it becomes slept. And bite or bite, it becomes bit. These are the regular verbs. And later I'm gonna give you a table so you can memorize this. But the way I rather learn it is by practice, by practicing using them in sentences. And little by little, you gain knowledge when to use this. For now, learn that the past tense is ed. Okay, next. Next, we have the present tense. This when it's a singular like he or she, we add s or es to the end of the verb. For example, here the verb is walk. Again, he walks. We add the s. He walks every day to school. The next one is eat. He eats pizza every day. See, we just add the s. And in here, study, we add the es. She studies when with her friends on Monday. And then we have when it's a plural, like we, they, them, the verb will stay the same. And this is very important. Run is just, we run every night. See, it stays the same. We run every night.
All right.
They play basketball at school. We dance together every weekend. See, exactly the same. Okay, and the next, which is,
Okay.
we already studied this, is the future tense. What the action will happen, all you have to do is add will before the verb. You add will, For example, he will walk to school. He will play basketball at school. She will study with her friends on Monday. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah,
And,
I have a question.
mm,
If you will play, I don't need to add ed.
no, because we'll play is in the future. We will play. ED will be in the past. We play.
Play.
Yeah, we played a game, or we will play a game, or we play a game. Okay, I'm gonna close this.
Okay.
Okay, now to practice the language, I would like to give you a small job interview. Since Camille is looking for a job, see, we can start with Camille. See how you can form the sentences. Okay, can you tell me a little bit about yourself?
Well, I'm a nurse with 8 years of experience. I also have a bachelor degree in biology. Y pues, ¿qué
It's
más?
been good so far. Okay, tell me a little bit about what the nurses do. What are their jobs?
Well, we do everything. The first thing is educate the patient. We administer medications, IV fluid, all the medication. We assist the doctor with the process, clean the ulcers. It's called wound care. We document. We use the medical record electronic to document all the patient needs, and we help in the disease of the patient.
Oh, very good. Can you tell me about your strengths? What do you consider what you're good at? What are your strengths?
It kind
Can you hear me?
I can. I'm a leader most of the time. I'm very committed with the duties that they give me. Everything.
Oh, very good. Okay, this is a good one. I'm just gonna ask you, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Well, in 5 years, I hope to be at medical school because I want to be a doctor.
Okay.
I also look at myself improving my English. That I can communicate more fluent with the patients. I maybe see me in another country like United States, so I can find a job that help me retarme a mí misma. How I say retarme?
Fix yourself or build up yourself, build your resume.
Improve, like
Oh,
improve
That's
myself.
very good. Improve.
Mhm. No, eso.
That's excellent. That's excellent. Okay, how about you, Jackie? What can you tell us? What is your job? What do you do?
I'm a case manager, and I do different services for the patients like EBT, food stamps, and insurance, medical insurance, and other stuff that the patient can do it by herself.
Oh, that's pretty good. And where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I want to study psychology in organizational psychology.
Oh, that is good because
I want to make it.
you use will, which is in the future tense.
Mhm.
And tell me a little bit about yourself. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is mofongo.
Very good,
Mofongo
very
with
good.
garlic.
Now let's ask Derek.
With meat.
Oh,
With
oh yeah, you cheated. You were supposed to use English. But that's very good. Derek told me that he wanted to travel, so I'm gonna ask you some travel questions. Where would you like to travel?
I would like to travel to Japan or Greece.
Oh, that's pretty good. I love Japan. What do you like about Japan?
I just like the different cultures and the way they live their daily lives and what they eat. And would like to have that experience in my life.
Oh, what's your favorite food in Japan?
Um, Probably dumplings.
Oh,
That's the only thing I've have really tried about there.
I love sushi, but it's really hard to find in Puerto Rico.
Yes, that'd
And where do
be
you see
expensive.
yourself in the future?
Probably in college.
Oh, what do you want to study?
I'm not so sure what I want to study, but I really like science and history, so probably something along those lines.
Oh, that's very good. Okay, so we all did excellent today. We're gonna keep practicing every day, and I would like to thank you all for helping me with this class. I know it's been challenging, but we're gonna keep improving every day. All right?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank
See you
you.
tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.